Hi, I am Daniel Gruesso. I am the product manager for the Create Source Code group, and today I'll be walking you through the kickoff for the 13.0 release of the source code group. And so this is the release that will be shipped on May 22nd, 2020, and our team is working on some exciting changes that I'll discuss with you today. So the first one is the ability to comment on multiple lines in a merge request diff. So currently we have the ability to comment on a single line when reviewing an MR. And that is great when the reviewer wants to provide kind of simple feedback for a single line. But oftentimes, a comment will encompass a chunk or a section of the code in the MR. So with this, we're looking to give users the ability to select a range of code in the MR and leave a comment for the entire range. So we think this is going to be very powerful for the specificity of the feedback that's coming back on MRs. We're really excited about it. The next thing that we're going to work on is making merge ref diffs the default comparison mode. So as you know, in 12.8, we introduced a new view for merge requests that shows you kind of a clearer comparison when you have merged the target branch into your branch. And we find this view so valuable that we want to make it kind of the default view for MRs. And this will basically add more clarity for whoever is reviewing the MR. The next thing that we're going to work on is supporting multiple code owner sections. So I'm really excited about this one. Currently, code owners only allows for one rule to match each path. So if you have multiple teams that want to use the feature, they can't really do it in a feasible way. So what we're looking to do here is that we'll allow multiple sections in the code owners file, and we'll allow for more specificity with rules. So you can have multiple rules, and then the rule that has the most specificity is the one that will be used. And that way, multiple groups can have their own file and not kind of step in each other's toes when they're making change to code owners. So we're really excited about this change, and we think that it's going to make the code owners feature much more powerful. The next thing that we're going to work on is around code intelligence and simplifying the setup for code intelligence. So as you know, the native code intelligence feature that was recently shipped with GitLab requires a CI pipeline that generates an else if file, and then it needs to be converted into a custom GitLab format. So we want to simplify that process so code intelligence can reach more users and make it more usable. So basically, all it's going to do is require users to use a standard else if that can be validated either by GitLab or any other tool, and then CI will take care of the rest. As long as the CI job passes, GitLab will do the rest and set it up for you. And that will enable features like just hovering over your code and being able to see the links like the references or the definition for a particular term. So this is really powerful, and we're really excited about this one. And lastly, we want to enable this feature of native code navigation for everyone. Right now, the feature is behind a feature flag. As I said, is not the setup is not as simple as we would like. Now that we make the setup simple, we want to enable the feature for everyone. So we're really excited about the features that we're working on 13.0. I'm really excited to be working as the product manager of this group, and I look forward to your feedback. And that is all. Have a great one. Bye.